Sometimes you just want a plain donut. I'm going to show you how to use oil pastels to make a delicious donut with nothing on it at all. If you like what you see, you love art, and you love donuts, don't forget to subscribe. Plain donuts are surprisingly simple. You are going to use just the dough colors, so that brown, that yellow ochre that looks like tan, not the lemon yellow, and of course, you're going to always use white. Start with your brown and put it on the very bottom line of your dough, and also put it on the very bottom line of your donut hole. You're going to take that yellow and you're going to fill in the whole donut yellow. Don't leave any room for icing because this donut is naked. Once you have everything in the lines, I like to take an eraser and make sure that I've done my best work. And then it's time to go back to that brown and make sure that yellow doesn't take over, because it will. Smooth it out with your brown, make sure there's a nice blend. Make sure your colors really smush together and you're not keeping them separate. Time for that white. Make sure it's clean, and just like you would where the icing is, you're gonna fill in kind of that top section, that round area around the donut hole. You're gonna mix that with white to bring out that really beautiful pastry color. My inspiration with this is always just your basic, hot ready now, Krispy Kreme donut. And the yellow and the white, you just kind of go back and forth, smoothing it, making sure it's that perfect pastry color. I obsessively at this time go back and say, I'm going to add some white to the other dough as well, and feel free to go back and forth as needed. I've said it before, oil pastels dry, and sometimes you just have to kind of wait until it dries a little bit to get an intense highlight on there, but try your best to really make sure the very top surface has as white of a highlight as you can get. And that is the simple way to make a plain donut using oil pastels. Don't forget to check out my other donut videos on this playlist. There are so many of them, you'll probably never want to eat a donut again.